Morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to GT over there. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to create a running front view character like this just on smartphone. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you are coming across my video for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload an interesting tutorial like this. Without making much of a time, let's get into today's tutorial. For those of you who have not joined my WhatsApp group or my Telegram channel, you are really missing it. So join through the link in the description below for you to have access to the tools being used in all my tutorial. So I'm going to head over to my FlipaClip now. If you need a tutorial on how to make your FlipaClip as a beginner, I've uploaded some video on how to make your FlipaClip. So watch the video, it's going to guide you on how to make your FlipaClip as a beginner. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, name my project practice 1, and I'm going to click on done, and I'm going to choose a default background here. Then choose my canvas size to 180p, then click on create project. So after that, this is going to be my landing page, and go over to this three icon here, click on add image, I'm going to be using this first image first. So this is the image I'm going to be using to create what I just showed you earlier on my screen. If it's what you like to watch, please kindly watch this video to the end, give it a thumbs up, comment and share to all of us and family. And also the easy way you can easily achieve this is just imagine yourself running, because when I drop this character in my Telegram channel, you just have to arrange it by yourself. I'm about to show you how to do that in an easy way. So just imagine yourself running, position yourself the way you run, then you position the character that way also, so you're able to have a good result. So after that, I'm going to click on this plus icon like this, clone last frame, click on it again, add new frame. So I'm going to bring in the next character on the list. Come back to this three icon here, click on add image, and choose this character, leave it in the center as it should be, bring it down. So after that, repeat same process again, click on it, no last frame, add new frame. So I'm going to click on this three icon again to bring in the next image on the list. Click on it, which is this one, click on it like this, bring it down a little bit. Just make sure it's aligned. So I'm going to repeat the process again. Click on
left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watches the breeze, burns gold and smoke that is stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. Swimming with the sharks.
So I'm going to add the first image which we added in this project. I'm going to add it to this last place to complete the character animation, to complete the animation rather. Is this one. So I'm going to just leave it like that. So let us preview what we have done so far. So guys, I can see it's awesome. So let me show you another trick to have more minute animation. So I'm going to come back to this 3 icon here, click on frame viewers, then copy everything. Okay, if you want to have more seconds animation, this is the trick here. Then go click on it, then copy. After you copy, I'm going to paste it. So as you can see, we have actually have 32 frames. So 32 frames, I think is how many minutes animation. So let us go back. Let's check our animation minute. So let us play it to check our results so far. I hope you can see that. So if you want to save, come back to this 3 icon here, click on make movie. So we have 3 seconds animation, which is 32 frames. So if you want to have more seconds of animation, you can just keep copying it, paste like that. So you have more minutes or seconds animation. So I'm going to click on make movie, wait for it to load. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment and share to your loved ones and family. And also, do not forget to join my WhatsApp and my Telegram channel for you to have access to tools being used in my tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.